Hi, I'm Roses59. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wall art picture frame. For this project, I'm using walnut wood and it is already planed down to the finished thickness. For marking out where the holes are going to go, you want to take your hole punch, place your template on, punch down, and you want to do these to both of your back pieces. For drilling the holes in the back parts, you want to make sure that you have everything all lined up and square, which I have done so here as you can see. For the plexiglass, I just purchased mine at Home Depot. They have many different sizes to choose from, so you don't have to cut anything down. And as you can see here, I got everything all in clamps, which is very important. And I just got my last hole here to drill. For sanding, I used my orbital sander and used 100 grit and 150 grit sandpaper to sand all the pieces, and to sand all the edges I did by hand with 400 grit sandpaper. For putting everything together, you want to take your plexiglass and peel off the plastic on both sides, which I've already done. And we want to put this together backwards. So you want to have your walnut wood facing the good side down, so your front side. Then you want to take your Chicago pins, which I have already done so here, and I've placed them in each 4 corners. And now for your photo, I got printed it at Walmart, and I just use a single handheld hole punch to punch out each hole. For the back, I just added a sawtooth hanger so you can hang it on the wall. And now you can enjoy your favorite photos that you have taken. Thanks for checking out this video. All links are in the description below for this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Don't forget to share this video and post your comments below. Some of the best tips and feedback come from you. Thanks for watching.